Welcome. Today, we're diving into a useful feature on Instagram: how to unsend a message from a group chat. Whether you've sent something by mistake or simply changed your mind, this step-by-step guide will help you retract that message effortlessly. First, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the features smoothly. Once you're in the app, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon looks like a paper airplane and is your gateway to all your direct messages and group chats. Next, tap on the messages icon, and you'll be taken to your inbox where you can see all your ongoing conversations. Scroll through your list to find the group chat where you sent the message you want to unsend. Once you've located it, tap on that conversation to open it up. Now that you're in the group chat, look for the specific message you wish to retract. This is where it gets simple. Once you've found the message, press and hold on it until a menu pops up at the bottom of your screen. This long press is crucial as it activates the options available for that message. From this menu, select Unsend. After tapping this option, Instagram will ask for confirmation to ensure you really want to remove that message. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the message will disappear from both your side and the recipient's view. It's as if it was never sent at all. Remember, unsending a message is a great way to maintain control over your conversations and avoid any potential misunderstandings. So next time you find yourself in a situation where you've sent something you regret, just follow these steps. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating Instagram and enhancing your social media experience. Happy messaging!